Hello everyone, myself JJ. Welcome you on my channel Code with JJ. In this video, we will discuss the automata question or code debugging question that were asked in Cognizant paper which was held on 16th October. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the questions. So the first question is, we have given a function and method called countDigits in which we return an integer representing the remainder when the given number is divided by the number of digits in it. So simply we have given a number just like 782 and we have to divide it by the number of digits in it. So 782 by 3. So it is saying that we have to return the remainder. So 782 modulo 3 we have to return, that is 2. So that's the question. Now look at the error code. So this is the code that you have given and you have to find the error. What is the error in this code? So guys, at this moment do pause the video, find out the answer. After that I do surely tell you what's the answer. So the first thing is that the number itself is changing because at the end what we have to do number modulo count, but the number itself is changing because in while loop number is equal to number by 10 we have to do. So this is the wrong thing. We have to first store the number in a variable. So what we have to do is int temp equal to number. So in this way we are storing the number in a temp, and after that we can return like temp modulo count. That's all. So in the second question we have given a function that is print character pattern and accepts integer number. It is supposed to print the first number of lines of the pattern as shown below. So okay, so if you have given the num equal to 4, then you have to print the pattern like that: a, then ab, then abc, then abcd. Alright, now look at the error code. So this is the error code. So guys, do pause the video, find out the error. So the error in this video is that it is incrementing the character, but the first character we don't have to change the first character, that is a. So what we have to do, instead of ch++ we have to do print++. So that's all in this code. So let's move to the third question, in which the function method remove elements print space separated integer that remains after removing the integer at the given index from the input list. So in the function we have given the input list, we have given the size, and we have given the index value which we have to remove. Now let's look at the error code. So this is the code, guys. Do pause the video, find out the error. So the error in this code is that it is doing the post increment. Instead of post increment, what we have to do is pre increment. That's all. Now let's look at the fourth question. The function calculateMatrixSum accepts a two-dimensional matrix of dimensions m and n as input. Return the sum of the odd elements whose ith and jth index are same. Alright, so let's move to the error code. So the error code is this. So guys, pause the video, find out the answer. So the error in this code is that it is wrongly written the sum equal to 0 is in the ith loop, because every time the row changes sum is equal to 0. So we don't have to do this, so we just have to cut this line, that's all. In the fifth question we have given the sort array. So modify the input list by sorting its element in descending order. Okay, we have to sort the array in descending order. Now let's look at the code. So guys, pause the video, find the error. So the error in this code is that we have to sort this array in descending order, but it is sort as ascending order. So what we have to do, we have to just change the sign. That's all what we have to do. So in question number 6, the question is given the function method replace value is modifying the input list in such a way if the length of the input is odd, then all the elements of the list are supposed to be replaced by 1. and in case it is even, the element should be replaced by 0. Alright, now let's look at the error code. So guys, pause the video, find out the error in the code. So the error in this code is that in the first while loop, if the size of element is even, so it is incrementing I by 2. So we have to just increment I by 1, as we have to change all the element to 0. The similar mistake happened in the second while loop, in which the jth increment is by 2. So we have to increment the j by also 1. That's all. So now let's move to question number 7, in which we have given a function maxReplace is supposed to replace every element of the input array with the maximum element of the array. Alright, now let's move to the error code. So guys, this is the error code. Pause the video and find the errors in the code. So the error in the code is that in this, the max is defined as the local variable inside the if loop, so we can't use the max in the for loop, as the if loop terminates here. So what we have to do, we have to define the max variable above the if statement. So we just have to add int max. That's all. So in the 8th question, we have given a function method sumElement return an integer representing the sum of the elements in the input array that are greater than twice the number k and present at the even index. So we have given the three things: the size, the number k, and the input array. Now let's move to the error code. So guys, pause the video, find out the errors in the code. So the error in this code is that it is just storing the sum statement is wrong. So the statement should be like sum equal to sum plus input array. That's all. So now let's look at the next question, which says the function method Manchester for each element in the input array, a counter is incremented if the bit array of I is same as array of I minus 1. And the increment counter value is added to the output array to store the result. So if the bit array I and I minus 1 are different, then 0 is added to the output array. Alright, so if the in array the index I and I minus 1 are same, then we have to increment the counter, otherwise we have to output the 0 in the output array. Now let's look at the error code. So guys, pause the video, find out the error in this code. So the error in this code is that in the else statement result, we should have to include not equal to. Why we are doing this? Because it is saying that if this is true, then we have to count plus plus, but it is saying that if it's true, then return the 0 in the output array, so which is false. So we have to change this statement. So in the 10th question, we have given a function printFibonacci which accepts a number representing the number. The function method printFibonacci prints the first number of Fibonacci series. Alright, a simple question of Fibonacci series. Now let's look at the error code. So guys, pause the video, find out the error in this code. So the error in this code is just we have to swap these two statements. That's all. As the we have to store the number 2 in number 1, and the number 2 is already changed to sum. So this is a wrong statement. So we have to just swap these two statements. Now let's move to the next question, in which the function method selectionSortArray performs an in-place selection sort on the given input list, which will be sorted in ascending order. Alright, now let's move to the code. So guys, this is the error code. You have to find the error. So pause the video, find out the error in the code. So the error in this code is that we have to compare array of index of minimum to array of y, not array of x. So instead of array of x, we have to write array of y. That's all. So in the 12th question, we have given a function print pattern accepts an argument num and an integer. The function method print pattern prints number lines in the following pattern. Okay, you have given a number 4, then you have to print like 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1. Alright, Now let's look at the error code. So guys, pause the video, find out the error in this code. So the error in this code is that there is a semicolon after the for loop, second for loop. So this semicolon shouldn't be here, it is terminate this for loop. So we have to just remove this semicolon, that's all. So let's move to the next question, which is Lisa always forgot her birthday, which was on 5th of July. So develop a function method which will helpful to remember her birthday, and it return an integer 1 if it's her birthday, else the 0. Alright, so now let's move to the error code. So guys, pause the video, find out the error in the code. So the error in this code that the birth date should be 5th of July. So it is using the OR statement. So instead of OR statement we have to use the AND statement. So that's all in this code. So let's move to the next question, which is the function method countOccurence return integer representing the count of occurrence of a given value in the input list. Alright, so now let's look at the error code. So guys, this is the error code. Pause the video, find out the error in the code. So the error in this code, it forgets to increment the I. So we just have to increment the I here. That's all. So guys, if you have any question, any queries related to the question, do comment below. And guys, if you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.